mats, the Cómo Chuck 930. It's been in the marketplace for quite some time, but it's recently had big improvements with this new collet. Can you tell us more?
Yeah, as Cómo Chuck 930 is our premium chuck today, we wanted to develop something for pull-out security. As there are more and more requests from, for example, aerospace customers that they need security, 100% security.
And how does it work?
It's pretty easy. It contains two interfaces, one between the collet and the chuck, and one between the end mill and the collet. First, I will show you the collet system, how it looks like. It's an anchor screw between the collet and Cómo chuck, which has a bayonet in the back end, like this. And the collet is developed for weld-on shanks, standard weld-on shanks, with a spring clip and a wedge to lock the end mill in the chuck when the system is clamped, like this. Here's the total system that we will assemble in a Cómo Chuck 930 today.
Okay, it seems very straightforward to put together, but engineers, when they close that machine door, they put a lot of faith in their pull-out prevention system. So how are we going to prove that it doesn't pull out in the machining process?
Yeah, we can show you now a machining operation with very challenging cutting data, so to say. It's of course, it depends on what setup you have, but this is challenging cutting data. So we will show now how it works. Okay, let's do the presetting before machining. Starting by putting it in the presetter and measure the length. And here we can see the length. And then we do the same operation again after the milling operation.
That's very conclusive, a very robust, reliable system. Just to conclude, why should an engineer invest in this system?
Need a 100% pull-out secure solution. Buy this one. It's simple to use, developed for weld-on shanks, standard on the market today, and for Cómo Chuck 930, which is a very good chuck and have a run-out figures that very good. And with this system, you keep the run out. You have no errors in the system. So it's very good.